this last episode, we've done a few upgrades. First of all, I have a outboard motor on. I also got two 7-foot paddles, so that way they match. And then I also picked up my wife right here. The river I paddled down last week dropped me into this chain of 28 lakes, and it's been a dream of mine to explore them, so adventure and spontaneity is going to be our compass today, since this really isn't the most direct way to continue downstream. We also packed a bunch of food, camping equipment, so we're gonna basically be spending a few days exploring the chain here, having some fun. Right back behind me, if you watched the last episode, that's the river that we just came out of. By the way, last week, one thing you guys may have missed is there's a really cool seaplane right over here.
Oh yeah.
We had a late start to the day, so we need to find camp. The spot I'm heading to is a private site, so I'm going to be a little bit vague about its location. It's an interesting boat with a crane. It's gaining on us. We're in a no wake zone right now, so we're not supposed to go very fast. And with so much stuff in the boat right now, we're making more of a wake than we normally would. We should go into a restaurant at some point. We packed plenty of food, but if we get extra hungry, get a warm burger or something. We definitely have the smallest boat out here, though. We'll let him pass. To get into the campsite, we had to traverse a labyrinth of lily pads, but it wasn't too bad with the paddles.
Go to the right or something, there's a tree.
Oh. Other right, sorry.
Big rock, there's a big tree here in the left.
Home sweet home.
Sick. Trust exercise.
There we go. All right. Let's start getting some of this stuff out of here. Just a really nice soft pine forest.
Oh my gosh, there's actually a picnic table. Paradise achieved. Nice. That's lovely. Maybe we'll have a campfire tonight.
It's starting to get colder again, so we're going to use the tent tonight instead of the hammocks. I really love the hammocks, but they get really cold at night. It's not going anywhere. I think it's dinner time now.
Save you up.
So what do you have?
This is a classic one-pot Mexican meal. So it's jalapeno cheddar chicken sausage, black beans, corn, onion, and a little bit of zucchini at the end, and spices. So there you go. Bon appetit.
Yum.
I know, it's gonna be really good.
Nice and warm. I even got the little marshmallows in my hot chocolate. So it's starting to drizzle a little bit. So I think I'm just gonna finish my hot chocolate and then we're gonna head to bed. Good morning, guys. This morning we are going to be having the leftovers from last night for breakfast. We gotta filter some water and probably have some hot drinks, and then we'll get going.
True.
I think we're stuck in the back. Push. I'm gonna jump. And you push. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. There we go. In order to explore more lakes, we need to cross this dam by portaging everything across. There is a boat lift to take you across available for a few dollars, but I think we're just a little bit too small of a boat for it. I didn't ask, but let's just set it. Yeah, we can just lift our boat pretty easily and take it ourselves. That'll work up your appetite. All set?
We're all set.
let it warm up for a sec. A lot of weeds in here. That's why. We were supposed to go around that way.
Oh.
See the buoys? Looks like we might be island camping tonight, guys. We're gonna go check it out.
Land ahoy!
Land ahoy. This could be kind of fun. Crazy weather. Island life, guys. Doesn't get much better than this. Refuse to conform, build your dreams, and I'll see you guys back on this island next week to continue downstream.